Assistant Professor in Department of SNS Administration in Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss about statements available in the Python programming. Let us discuss what are the types available in the statements and with the definition of all the types of statements. What is mean by statements? So any idea about what is mean by statement? Yes, it is going to execute each and line of code that is called as a statement. So the line of code will be executed by the interrupter. That is the definition of the statements. What are the different types of statements available in Python means? First one will be the assignment statement. Second one, print statement. Third one, conditional statements. Fourth one, looping statement. Fifth one, function definition. Sixth one, class definition. Okay, let us discuss by one. So what is mean by assignment statement is, so it going to assign some value to the particular variable is called as an assignment operator. So how we are going to assign some value to the particular variable means through assignment operator only we are going to perform the assigning value to the particular variable through assignment operator. What the assignment operator is equal to is the assignment operator to perform the operation. So let us discuss the example. So I want to assign some value to the particular variable of A. So I want to assign the value as 10. So I am assigning 10 to the variable of A through the assignment operator. So this is the example for the assignment statement. So next will be the print statement. We all know that. What is the purpose of print statement is it going to display some output. Yes, display output or some information to the user is done by the print statement. So how the print statement will work is print welcome. So I am telling you that we want to print the welcome statement to the user. So how I have to print the welcome messages to the student is through the print statement only I have to print the welcome messages to the user or the third user. So third statement will be the conditional statement. What is the conditional statement means? So it going to perform some operations. So here what are the conditional statements available is if else, if statement. What this going to do is based on the condition it is going to perform some operations that is done by the conditional statements. So here three types are available. First one will be the if statement, if else statement and if elif statement. So this is done with the help of the condition. Whether the condition is true, if block will be executed. If the condition is false, else part of statement will be executed. If the statement, if the problem contains multiple conditions, we want to check the multiple condition means here the elif statements will be working. So next one will be the looping statement. What the looping statement will do is we want to execute the some block of statements to be repeatedly. More time we want to execute means so repeated times only we are going to use the looping concept. What are the looping statements available is while loop, do while and for loop. So these three looping statements are available in the program in the Python. So here we are these three looping statements going to display or produce the output is same, but the way the using of the looping is entirely different. So fifth one will be the function definition. Why we want to use the function definition means so some part of the statements to be executed more times and in maybe used in many times in the based on the conditions. So here the particular statements function is written one time Whenever I need to perform that function, I need to call that function and we can use. So how we are going to use the function definition is through the define statement. Def. So def, the function name I have to specify. So here I want to include what statements it going to perform. So this is the syntax for function definition. So next, last one will be the class definition. What the class definition will do is it contains all the functions detailed about all the functions are included in the class. So in these statements we have discussed 6 types of statements available in Python. Assignment of statement, print statement, conditional statement, looping statement, function definition, and finally the class definition. So we have discussed the statements in the Python. Thank you.